Beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome with spacious floor plan. Lovely flooring in living room with tray ceiling surrounding cozy fireplace. Large eat-in kitchen with plenty of cabinets, granite countertops, and tile flooring. Isolated master off the kitchen with walk-in closet, private bath, and door leading to sunroom. Extra features like bead board in bathrooms, crown molding in bedrooms, and covered patio make this home even more inviting. Light fixtures, stove, paint, landscaping couple of years old, and hot water heater this year. Located close to shopping and restaurants.